skin protection, all you need to do, just use and clean the edges of your natural hair so that everything go dey very, very neat and very, very clean before your wig installation. This one not go make crow enter your head after you don't carry your wig for a long time. Ungwanu, you understand me? We are doing our wig installation with Cha-Cha lace glue. Yes, if you never buy your own, come buy. It's 20 euros now on sales. From November, it will be 25 euros. Come and buy. When you buy glue from me, before you use them, sister, shake them very well. Shake them very well so that all the ingredients will go up before all of them go mix together. Don't tell me, hey, Cha-Cha, you know they gum. Shake them before you use them. Ungwanu, you understand me? Begin apply. Apply, yeah. Take something flat, something way flat like this. You begin spread them. Sister, not just apply am like that. Leave am. Oh, the thing go come the white if you install your hair. So you see the way they spread am now. You feel learn how to install your hair with this glue very, very fast. But now they see they carry center party, they waka up and down your maid, they wear frontal. You not get money to install hair. Only you and no one still learn. Not be juju be that. Now juju. Come and buy. You long. You see say yeah, don't change color. It has to be transparent. You see say they stick. See. You see, you not even green leave my hand. If you want to carry the wig for like 1 week, apply again. Now 2 coach, 3 coach, you apply, okay? But make sure say you first spread the first one. Now the hair what we want install now be this one. Make sure you have this ratchet comb. So this corner they come here and the other corner they come this side. Okay, mama? Don't make sure say every corner they in good position. Now begin. Make sure say you do here first, the center first. You do the center first. Then you come here. Then you do here. You see the way this, oh my god, if you never buy your glue, just they waste your time. Then you come here, you install her. You know, say we carry the wig past where glue dey, so all here we lift. Glue not there yet because I not apply glue put. Now make I say carry and pass where glue there. Now you can't apply glue for here again. Again apply glue put. Then you carry your ratchet comb. Use and bring the hair down like this. Hair. This place where they white. So you see say I say man avoid where they white. So you feel use your comb to dissolve and the thing go dissolve. You see I say not the white again. You they see glue. You they see and the way they move the hair. You they see glue. Come and get yours. It's 20 euros. Come and get it before you yes so that. Just say this place fair dry first. Okay? So carry your hand fan or blow and just blow and dry or whatsoever thing you get before you begin use your melty band. We'll leave them for like 15 minutes. Our heat protectors is also available. Come and pick yours. Who get that hot comb where they flatten like this? Cha-Cha beauty one, gege, Cha-Cha beauty one. Guys, come and get your hot comb. This hot comb, you see smoke where they come out. It's very, very hot and easy to use. See smoke now. The smoke is smoky and that's on period. Installation didn't take too much, like I think 15 minutes, because I use better glue to install the hair. So come and get yours. It's 20 euros. Next month November it go be 25 euros. Now you can 5 euros go reach you to buy hamburger. Just there they play. I'm done, guys. No melty spray used on this hair. No, I not use melty spray. I not use. Now my glue and that melty band can the lace melt, and this is not even HD lace, so now just that regular lace way is strong. You can see how neat is the hair installation is looking. Come and get your glue so you can slay like Cha-Cha beauty world. So this is it, just a simple wig installation. If you want to see how I coiled it using my chopstick, please watch my videos. Go through my page. This glue can carry you for like 1 week. Your wig installation will still be intact. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in my next video.